Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Yesterday, my auntie kindly sent me some daluman leaves or green jelly leaves. And I thought that I would take this opportunity to share this recipe with you. One of my all-time favorite childhood dessert, still until now. My mother would buy this for me every time we had a ceremony in the temple close by where we live. So this is close to my heart. The recipe is called es daluman, and this served with fresh coconut milk and palm sugar syrup. And this could also be one of your vegetarian dessert choice. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prepare fresh coconut milk. I cut the coconut meat into small pieces. Add to the blender along with some fresh water. Blend it until smooth. Then sift it. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. I put it aside. Next, let's prepare the daluman. So I add the daluman leaves along with some water. So we break the leaf and squeeze it as much as we can until the gelatin come out from the leaf. You also can use blender, but honestly I quite like to use my hand for this. So this is the consistency we need, and then now I'm going to sift it. I will move here first. So, I'm going to keep this into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours until it's set. And here I have one that I made earlier, which is already set. Looks, it's a really hard. So let's serve it. Here I have a palm sugar syrup. If you would like to see the recipe, I put in the description below. And first, we put some palm sugar syrup into the glass. I just mix it first a little bit. Then we add some ice. Then we cut a little bit of the daluman jelly using a spoon. And add some more ice on the top. Then add fresh coconut milk. So here we are, es daluman. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.